I'm Zoe, and this is Cabin Fever Science! Today, we're gonna make a CD hovercraft. CDs are something that my parents used to play music from when they were little kids. I think that was like 100 years ago. If you want to listen to Taylor Swift, you would have to go to the store, buy one of these, play in the radio machine, and then you could listen to it. That's pretty weird, but okay. So the next question is, what's a hovercraft? A hovercraft is kind of like a car, but instead of wheels, it rides on a cushion of air. So for this experiment, all you'll need is a hot glue gun, a CD, a balloon, a plastic bottle cap, a heavy drill. I barely can lift it up, and an adult. It's really important to have an adult because there's a lot of dangerous things for kids in this one. First, have your parents drill a hole in the bottle cap. You could ask your parents if you could do by yourself, but they'll definitely say no. Drills are dangerous. You could drill your finger off. Then hot glue the bottle cap to the CD. Let it cool off for a bit. Put the balloon over the bottle cap. I quit. You do it. Have your parent blow it up and pinch off the balloon. Put the CD on the ground and let it go. This is a fun one. That's pretty cool, huh? A balloon makes a cushion of air that floats around on. And that's what makes it a hovercraft. I'm Zoe, and this is Cabin Fever Science. Don't forget to like and subscribe.